What's up guys, welcome to yet another interesting video on this channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys how you can potentially make a lot of money watching YouTube videos. This is a very interesting topic. Thousands and thousands of videos on YouTube explaining this topic. But today we're going to see if that is really possible. If you're new to this channel, on this channel we discuss everything make money online. So if there's something you're interested in, you're looking to make some money online, go ahead and join the family by clicking that red subscribe button so you can be updated anytime I drop a new video. So with that out of the way, how much can you make watching YouTube videos? And the sad truth is, not a lot, quite honestly. And I'll show you why in just a sec. So this is the back office of this YouTube channel that you are seeing. And there's something called CPM, which is the amount of money a video would make per 1,000 views. So this $15 CPM means that for every 1,000 views, $15 is made. And out of that $15, I take $4 back home. So what this means is, for every 1,000 views I get, I make $4. This is how much the people producing these videos are making, right? Yes, granted, this is a small channel, but get the point. People that are making the videos are not making something crazy like $400 an hour of watching YouTube videos or something like that. The people that spend hours and hours creating these videos are not making as much as all these YouTube videos claim that you can make watching the YouTube videos. Can you make money watching YouTube videos? Yes, you can. But is it sustainable? No. When I was doing my research on creating this video, I watched a couple of YouTube videos of people that actually tried to make money watching YouTube videos. And I believe the results were like something like, after like 8 hours of watching YouTube videos, they made like $30 or $40. $30 or $40 may be a lot of money in your currency. If you want to see that, that'll probably be my next video. I'll show you how to do it. But 8 hours for $30, I don't think it's worth your time. You can do it, like, if in your country $30 is a lot of money, then perhaps trying to make money online watching YouTube videos is a good way to start. And I'm going to be creating that video next. But if in your currency is not going to be worth a try, for instance, here in British Columbia, like part-time work an hour, minimum wage is like $15 an hour. So 2 hours of work at McDonald's is already $30. So it doesn't really make sense to try make $30 for 8 hours watching YouTube videos. Now, if you're looking for alternatives to that, this is my channel. If you just go to YouTube and search Millionaire by 25, then you'll find this channel. I have a full playlist on how to make money with affiliate marketing, and these videos are beginner friendly. I have made money from affiliate marketing. I am making money from affiliate marketing, and it works like magic. It works good. It's beginner friendly. It needs zero money to start. You just need to learn some very basic skills, which are explained in this video. I'm also creating a Fiverr playlist. It's not yet complete, but I'm going to complete the videos. So if you go ahead and watch all these 14 videos and start implementing the things inside, you are definitely going to learn anything also about affiliate marketing, and that can allow you to make potentially $1,000 a month or even more. And Fiverr is another good place, though Fiverr is becoming a bit saturated and stuff, but there are always green areas on Fiverr. And I did a research on gigs that are not fully saturated. They are in one of these 3 videos, so go ahead and watch them and jump on those immediately. With that said, let me know what you think about making money watching YouTube videos in the comment section below. I would love to read your comment and I'd love to reply to you. If you have any other question, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.